Okay, we out here this early Sunday morning. About to take the van and go get tires put on. It's a bad day to be going to get tires, but I already had an appointment, so I'm about to go do this. How about I need wipers? That one is messed up. Good thing this one is on the driver's side. So, let us get on out of here. See you at the tire place. So we are here at Mr. Tire, Goodyear, or whatever. It's called Mr. Tire. But you just see a lot of Goodyear signs around. So anyway, let's take a look at these tires before we get the new ones. This one seemed kind of good already. Might ask them to save it for me. This one is definitely bad. It's the one I kept having to get air put in. Let's look around here. Yeah, that's the old tires, so we shall see how it look with the new all-terrain. Sitting here, still getting work though. Anyway, see how she look with the new shoes on. Here it go, with the new tires. Let's see what it looks like, how it rides. Okay. Okay, guys. Tires have been installed. Let's check them out. To be honest, they kind of look the same. They look the same, but it's obvious they're brand new tires. I can tell that. But they don't look that much different to me. Like, I thought I was going to have this big rugged look. Rugged tires, but nah, that's not the case. But they still look nice. Look at them, nice brand new tires. Right, let's get out of here. The ride was pretty good. I think that maybe that was the cause of my swaying, was the need of new tires. But on the way back around here, I didn't take the highway. I took the side streets and things, but I need to take it on the highway to really see if that was the problem for my stream swerving I was getting on the highway. So we have to check that out and see. But other than that, it drives pretty good and it felt a little more sturdier instead of like, you know, wobbly and shaking, feeling, pulling to the right and pulling to the left. So hopefully the tires was the fix. We'll see when I go on the highway later. Anyway, got new tires today. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe to Ruby Slippers.